Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video will be a beginner guide on how to sign up to Amazon Affiliate Program and how to acquire our very own Amazon affiliate link. So you can promote products like this one and get your very own unique link, which is gonna look something like this. And when people use this link to buy a product, you're gonna be then earning a commission, which you can then view over this page here. I'm gonna run you through everything you need to know in this video step by step, so let's jump right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to the Amazon Associates program page, which looks like this. You can access this page by typing in the link affiliate-program.amazon.com, and it will take you to this page right here. Now, one thing that's very important to note is that when you enter this specific link, affiliateprogram.amazon.com, it will probably take you to the one in the United States, which means after you get your affiliate link, it will only be valid to the products in the United States under the Amazon that is in the United States, obviously, .com. So if you want to change that, you can press the drop-down menu here and select the country that you're from or the Amazon that's you're going to be using your affiliate link on. So for the sake of this video, for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose the one in Spain, as I already have an affiliate link in the United States. And there you have it. Now you are working on the affiliate Amazon program for the one in Spain. After you've decided which Amazon you want to get your affiliate link on, so for example, the Spanish one in this video, you can go ahead and press the sign up button. I'm going to translate it to English. You're going to go ahead and press the sign up button, where it will take you to this page. If you already have an Amazon account, you can simply just sign into it. You don't have to create a new Amazon account. It will still work and you will get your affiliate link. But if you don't have an account, you go ahead and press your create Amazon button, where it will take you to this page here. And you will have to enter your name, your first and last name, your email address, a password, and then you confirm it again. And then you create your Amazon account. If you already have an account, obviously you can just log into it and it will work just fine. So once you've signed into your account, it will take you to a page that looks like this, depending on where you're from and the kind of Amazon that you're logged into. So right now I'm on the Spanish Amazon, for example. And Amazon will require 4 kinds of information, which are your account information, list of web pages or apps, profile, and how to start using Affiliate Central. I'm going to walk you through each and every single one of these steps so that it's easy and simple to follow. Right here, you can see my address that I have already entered, but for you, it's going to look something like that because it's a new address. You're going to want to enter your name right here, and then your address, the city you're from, the postal code, you select your own country, and then there is the phone number that you have to enter, and they will send you a sort of verification code that you need to put. And then you select, for this tab, you're going to select the beneficiary indicated above if it's you. If you're making it for someone else, you click on this one. I'm obviously making it for myself. If you're a US citizen, you're going to have to enter your tax information and press yeah here. Otherwise, they won't be able to pay you. I am not a US citizen, so I'm going to go ahead and press no. Once you're done and have entered all this kind of information, you press on the following button here. After that, it will take you to the list of web pages or apps. Now for this one, you can use any kind of page or application that you have if it has some kind of following on it and you create content on it. This could be anything. This could be your Instagram page, it could be your own blog, a YouTube channel, for example, and all you have to do is write in the link right here and press add. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and add my own Instagram page and then hit the add button. And there you have it. Your application or your web page is going to be added, and you can add up to 50 websites or mobile apps. Once you've done that, you press on the following. Once you've done that, it will take you to the profile tab now, where we have to create our own Amazon affiliate profile. It will first ask you for your preferred affiliate ID. This could be basically your brand name or whatever you choose for it to be. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Tell us about the content you create. So I create how-to tutorial videos. This is the kind of videos that I create. So that's what I input here in the description. You can tell them a little bit about the content you create. For example, if it's a blog for photography, gaming, anything that you prefer. Which of the following best describes your content? If it's a blog, a web page of content, price comparison engine. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and press others. How did you meet us? Online search. And then you enter the CAPTCHA code. And then you read and accept the terms and conditions. After that, you press finish. After that, it will tell you about your billing information. So you can either enter it now or later. I'm just going to go ahead and press later because I can just do that another time. After that, it will take you to this page where it will show you your affiliate profile and how it's doing. Obviously, we've made no money because we just created this profile. Now, one thing I highly recommend is that you press on the tools section here and then go to web bar. It could be called SiteStripe on your Amazon. Click on it. And then head over to more information. And just make sure it's activated right here. So that when you go to Amazon and, for example, want to search for a product, you will see this gray bar right here, the SiteStripe banner, that you wouldn't have seen before you created your associate profile. And I'll show you what this allows us to do. If you, for example, search for a product, so let's say laptop bag, right here, you click on a product, and then you can get your link, and you have a variety of options to choose from. You can get a text, image, or text plus image. We're going to go ahead and press on text. And it will generate the link for you right here. You can choose to have the short link or the full link. I would recommend choosing the short link. And you can have this link on your page or blog or YouTube channel. And when people use this link to buy a product, you're gonna then earn a commission for it. So this is all for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.